kind of fun too. Yeah, it's kind of slick, so you gotta be careful. We had a lot of rain before this before the snow, so when it did snow, it's kind of like weird. It's like frozen now, so the ground is really hard. Even though you're riding on grass, you feel like you're riding on concrete. So it's kind of strange. So you gotta really kind of watch what you're doing. I don't even know if you can hear it. It's crunchy as shit. Here's some pretty cool trails we made up here in the woods. These are kind of cool. They're kind of tight, so I gotta kind of take it easy here, just because it's kind of hard to maneuver, to be honest with you. We ride pit bikes in here, and that actually is a little more easy to really go fast because it's easier to control. These bigger bikes are a little harder to do in these small trails. You know, but anyway. Yeah, I've been clearing this stuff out. It's kind of fun. Ooh, there's a nice frozen rut. You guys can feel this ground. It's so weird. I love this bike, man. It just chugs along. If you're in first gear, it just like it goes where you want it to go. You know, there's no question. It just freaking goes. Concrete bumps. This is kind of cool back in here. Got this old farmhouse here that it's kind of fun to look at. This is a really cool piece of property. We have 11 acres here, and we've only been here like 8 months. But there's lots of places to ride here. The other side. Here's the other side. You kind of saw some of this, but we'll go up the other way. Oh, this is tight. Oh. This is cool. A lot more of a hill here than you think. It's kind of hard to tell on the video. I'll tell you that right now. Like right here, this hill's, yeah, it's a chunk. See how some of this area is kind of tight. It's cool as shit though, man. It's awesome. I've always wanted to have my own property I can ride on. That way no one can't say shit. There's nothing worse than finding a place to ride and then 20 minutes after you start riding, someone says, oh, you got to get off here. You know, it just sucks. I guess I understand private property, but still. Not enough places to ride anymore. Oh, this is a fun one. Across the creek. Ooh. My hands have finally thawed out a little bit. This is real chunky crap right here. It's all frozen. Anyway, it's pretty cool stuff. There's our cabin down there. Pretty neat. Yeah, we'll ride out here. This is like the road that is on the back road to my house. It's kind of cool. We'll ride down this way. Oh, forgot this. My hands are gonna freeze. Man, you get up over 15 miles an hour, your hands start to fucking freeze. These gloves are okay, but they ain't made for cold weather. I hope I don't fall in the creek. It's kind of sketchy to the right and to the left. If you're not careful, your shit will fall right down in there. You can't ride on our actual track. It's like slippery. I have to go over here. I gotta thaw my hands out, man. I'll start doing more videos like this. It's kind of fun. Alright.